Installation preparation. 1 screwdriver. 1 USB 2485 module. 1 power cable. 1 electric suction cup. 1 wire stripper. 1 power box. Product wiring. 1. Find the red, black, orange, and orange-white wires. Use a wire stripper to strip out the wires. Pay attention to the force applied. Do not cut the wires inside. 2. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the power box 24 volts. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the power box 24 volts. 3. Take the power cable. Connect 1 end to the 485 ground wire. Note: to prevent damage to the 485 module, the 485 ground wire must be connected. Connect the other end to the negative terminal of the power cable. 4. Take the orange wire and connect it to the TR positive terminal. Connect the orange-white wire to the TR negative terminal. Connect the USB interface to the computer. Wiring is complete. Software operation. Open Hitbot Drive software. Click on Point Setting. Enter the required values. Click the suction and release buttons. You can operate the suction cup. I/O mode. Check I/O mode. Click Save Parameters. Find the blue and blue-white wires. Connect each wire to the negative terminal of the power supply. Analog I/O signal. Control the suction cup.